Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showcasing you how to adjust the icon size on your iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices. So as you can see, currently I have small icons with the name. To make them bigger, or if they are big, to make them smaller, just you want to go to your settings. So in settings, scroll down towards the display and brightness, tap on that, and then scroll down to display and zoom, tap on that, and then you can choose them large text or default. I'm going to be choosing the large text and it will make the icon larger. Now you can choose the default and it will give you another menu which says standard. If you tap on that, it will make the device to the standard and all the icons are going to be smaller with the name. Now, there is another method where you can adjust the icon size. Just long press on an empty area on your main screen and then tap on edit in the top left corner. And from the menu, select customize. And then from this menu at the bottom, if you tap on that, that is going to make the icons bigger. And if you tap on that again, it's going to make the icons smaller. Now with the bigger icons, you lose the icon's name. So if you prefer to have the icon names, then you are going to have to go with the smaller icons. So guys, these are the two simplest methods through which you can adjust the icon size on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or Air. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to fix the camera control button which is not working on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max devices. So as you can see, I'm pressing on my camera control button and it is not opening up the camera app. So in order to fix this, what you need to do is to open up your settings, then scroll down towards camera, and at the top you will find out camera control button. Now in the camera control button, you will see the launch camera control. Now if you press that button, you have multiple options available in here. You just need to select the camera and now your camera control is going to be working fine and it is going to be open the camera app. As you can see, I'm pressing the camera control button and it is opening up the camera app. So guys, this is the simplest method through which you can fix the camera control button which is not working on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to use the action button on your iPhone 17 or the 17 Pro or the Pro Max devices. So to use the action button, just long press on it to activate it. So if I long press on it, by default, it is on silent mode and it will turn on the silent mode. And if I long press it again, it will turn off the silent mode. Okay, now if I press it once, it just show me the current status. So currently you can see if I press it once, it's on a ring mode. But if I press and hold it, it changes to the silent mode. And now if I press it once again, it tells me that I am on a silent mode. So basically when you press it once, it tells you in which mode you are in. Now, this action button is actually customizable on the iPhone 17 series, and to do that, you just go to your settings. So on the setting page, scroll down and you should see the action button. Tap on that, and then as you can see, it's currently set to silent mode. You can switch it to something else. So for instance, if you want to change it to become a focus mode, you can use that. You can also change it to be the camera mode, and you can also have the torch mode and voice mode. And there are other bunch of other action button features as well. And one of them is shortcut, which is pretty amazing. You can set any shortcut which you have set up in your shortcut app to be as an action button feature. Now moving on, if I set it to the voice memo and go to the home screen, you just need to press and hold it to record the voice memo. And as you can see, it's recording right now. And when I press and hold the action button again, it will stop recording. And that is basically the functionality of that action button. Now, if I change that action button to other modes like the torch mode, and now if I press and hold the action button, you will notice that the torch light has been turned on. Now, if I press and hold it again, and it will be turned off. So basically, this is the simplest method through which you can use the action button on your device. So guys, that is basically how to use the action button on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max devices. Thanks for watching. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Thanks for watching. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to create this special 3D effect on your iPhone 17 series, iPhone 17 Pro, Pro Max or iPhone 17 Air. The process is very simple. What you are going to do is to just open up your wallpaper application, which is swiping down from the top left corner and press and hold in an empty area. And here you will be entering into the customization of wallpaper option. Just press on the customization. If you want to customize that particular wallpaper, here you will see a polygon option which has already been turned on and the special effect is there. If you press it, you will notice that there is nothing going to be. If you press it, you will notice that there is not going to be any 3D effect on that particular image. Now, if you press it again, you will notice that it has been changed to a special 3D effect. Now, in order to add your own personal image, just tap on that plus icon and select any photos which you want to create a special 3D effect. Now, I'm going to be selecting this Apple logo image, and as you can see, there's a clean difference between a foreground and a background between this particular image. And if we press on that polygon button, you will notice that a 3D effect has been created. So guys, this is the simplest method through which you can create a special 3D effect on your iPhone 17 series. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to quickly fix your iPhone 17 having a Bluetooth connectivity issue. So let's get started. Now this could be on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or iPhone 17 Air or any other iPhone, it doesn't matter. If you recently set it up, you might be experiencing Bluetooth connectivity issue, and in order to fix this, you are going to follow this simple tip. So all you are going to do is to go into your settings on your iPhone and then go to general and then scroll all the way down where it says transfer reset iPhone. You are going to tap on that. Click on reset, and the reset that you need to do is the network reset. So when you do a network reset, basically it resets the settings that you connected to any Bluetooth device in the past or any Wi-Fi as well. You have to reconnect to them, but it's important to do this network reset in order to reset the network on your phone. Again, this will not delete any of your data, so all your apps, videos, photos will be saved. And then you are going to try to reconnect to the Bluetooth device that you had previously have an issue. It's a quick fix. Again, this happened with the new iPhone, or if you are recently upgraded or moved all of your data over some reason. There could be a bug or a glitch. Again, not exactly sure why, but this is going to be the quick and the fastest way to fix it until Apple release a new software update to fix this. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to change the clock size on your iPhone 17 Pro Max and the iPhone 17 series overall. So the process is very simple. You just need to swipe from the top left corner and press and hold in an empty area to enter into the wallpaper mode. By default, whichever wallpaper you have, you can customize that. Just press on that customization button. And right here, just under the clock, you will see a new handle. Just press it and drag it down and you can change the clock size just like that. You can change the clock size of choice and then press the down button. Once you have done that, it has been added. And when you are done that, you will see that the clock size has not been changed. Well, this is because there are some notification here. Now, if I clear the notification, as you can see, it's going to be changing the size of the clock. So guys, do note that if you choose the other font option other than the first one, then your clock size will not change. Only the default clock font will be changing the size of the clock, not the other one. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you in some way. If you like this video, do consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year and the next year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone camera crashing on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone 17 lineup. This seems to be a common issue that a lot of people are experiencing. You can follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. The very first thing which I would recommend doing is closing out the camera app if you have it running. Like that, by swiping up again, all you are going to do is closing the app and open it again, and it will be going to quickly and easily fix the issue. Next thing you want to do is, because the iPhone 17 Pro Max and the 17 has actual camera button on the right side, this can sometimes get obstructed if you have like a case or something blocking it, or if you accidentally touch and click on it, it's very sensitive. So, well, there is some issues going on right now. As you can see, if I click on it and it locks, sometimes there is a weirdness going on. Sometimes some cases make you accidentally press it, hold it. So try to make sure that the case that you are using does not interfere with this camera control. I would recommend taking that off. Also, if you have any dust or lint build up, clean it with a microfiber cloth as well. Anything that could get in the way of that camera button. Now, the next thing you wanted to go ahead and follow this step, which is you are going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So make sure don't touch the screen while you're doing this process. Quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like that until the screen goes completely black, and we are going to wait for the Apple logo to appear, ensuring that you don't touch the screen. So as you can see, I'm holding on to that side button onto the right side, and then I let go once I see the Apple logo. This is known as force restart. Basically, it shuts down the phone software, reloads the code. So if it's a software related issue causing your camera to crash, it should go ahead and fix it. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so all your photos, videos, apps will still be on your phone. Now, after you have done that, you are still experiencing issue, you are going to go ahead into your settings on your iPhone and then go to General and then scroll down at the bottom which say Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and you are going to reset all the settings. Now this is resetting all the settings themselves, especially if you got a new iPhone. It will not delete any of your data like your photos, videos, apps, or anything like that will be there. It only reset the networks, keyboard, home screen layout, handwriting, and location privacy settings. After doing that, if you are still experiencing that camera still crashing on, you now finally have the last troubleshooting step, which you can do is to update your device. Apple time to time update its software and give you some bug fixes. So maybe this is a bug which Apple has already known, and the update will help you out in order to fix that issue. So what you need to do is to open up your settings, then scroll down to a general, then software update. Now check here if there is going to be any update available for your iPhone, and just like that, if you see any update here, just update your device to the latest software, because maybe it's a bug and Apple has already known and it will fix your issue. So guys, I hope these troubleshooting will help you guys to fix your camera crashing issues. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Please consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for this year and the next year. Thanks for watching. Peace. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to clear the cache on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max, or any other iPhone. So let's get started. Now the first thing which you want to do when it comes to clear the cache, there are different ways to do it depending upon how exactly you want to clear the cache. Most of the time, it's going to be related to your browser like Safari. In that case, you are going to go to your settings and then scroll down to apps and then look for Safari here in the S section. So we are going to be looking for the Safari and then tap on it. And then in here, scroll down a little bit further and we are going to go ahead and clear history and website data. And we are going to select all and then clear. And that's going to clear the cache on the browsing history. Now, if you want to clear cache for apps, it's going to work slightly different. So starting from the main settings, you are going to go to General and then iPhone Storage. And from iPhone Storage here, we need to go ahead and select the apps that you want to clear cache for. So for example, In this app, we are going to first start with offloading the app, which is basically going to uninstall the app. And then we are going to click on reinstall. So we are going to go on to the App Store and then reinstall this particular application which we have offloaded. So basically this means offloading and reinstalling the app. Now another option along with that, in you may also want to delete the app and reinstall it for full cache clear of data and cache. But offload will do the same thing depending on how much you want to basically clear the cache. And you have to do it for each app that you wanted to do that for. And finally, there is another way through which you can clear the cache on your iPhone. iOS already does it internally, but this method will be helpful for you in order to clear the cache. What you are going to do is to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this big side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I'm going to be quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold down this side button just like that. And I'm going to be keep holding until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. At that time, I will let go that side button. And this is going to go ahead basically shut down the phone software completely, reload the codes, which is essentially means clearing the cache in the system that you don't need any longer. It's pretty much hard reset without deleting any of your personal data. So all your photos, videos, apps will still be available on your iPhone. So you should be not worry about that. But what it do, it will clear the cache of the device. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So do consider subscribing my channel because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to change the iPhone 17 Pro Max touch sensitivity or any other iPhone touch sensitivity. So let's get started. The first thing which you are going to do is open up your settings, then go over to accessibility, and under accessibility section, there is a section called physical and motor, and there is going to be a section for touch. So you want to go ahead and click on that. And right under here, there is an option called touch accommodation. If you are having basically trouble with the touch screen, you can adjust the settings so that it can change the touch sensitivity. So we are going to go ahead and turn that on. And as you can see here up top, here we have different options in terms of what kind of touch sensitivity you are looking to change. Most of the time, the one that you are going to be looking to change is your hold duration. Basically, if you want your touch to be slower or faster in terms of recognition, you can just adjust this accordingly so that it knows your touch. So if you put more seconds, it's going to delay the touch versus if you have it very low and it's going to be quicker touch. So faster, quicker, it's going to be able to adjust that according to your need. And also, if you wanted to go ahead and activate the touch accommodation accordingly, you can triple click on the side button at any time to turn on and off the touch accommodation. So you will turn that on, click on. Okay, as you can see, it will be enabled, and then based on that, if I increase this right, you are going to have different touch sensitivity, and you can play around whichever work best for you, you can select that. As you can see here, touch accommodation will give that message, and if you ever wanted to turn it off without going through the settings, you can just triple click on that and it will go ahead and disable it accordingly for you. And there are other bunch of options. You can go ahead and see these options work for you, but basically adjusting the hold one along with the touch accommodation should help you to change the iPhone sensitivity on your device. So guys, that is in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to fix the iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone overheating issue. You want to follow these steps to fix it. So let's get started. So the first thing which you want to do is to go ahead and close out all the running apps. So what you do is to swipe up like this and all the running apps will be showcasing to you. Simply just swipe up one by one until you close all the apps just like that. So that's going to be the first step which you're going to follow. So after doing that, you are going to follow these steps, which is going to be doing is a force restart. So you are going to quickly press and release the volume up, quickly press and release the volume down, and then hold on to this side button until the screen goes completely black. So I'm going to be doing the volume up, volume down, and then holding onto the side button. The key here is quickly press and release the volume up, volume down before holding onto the side button, which is going to shut down the phone completely and then reload the code. And this is important, especially whenever you get a new iPhone, when there is an update, or if you recently transfer your data over to the new phone. It makes the software shut it down and reloads the code. This will not delete any of your data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will still be safe on your iPhone. So go ahead and do that. And if it does not work for the very first time, keep on trying. Remember, it's just volume up, volume down, press it and quickly release them before holding onto the side button. And once you are back on, your phone should be good to go. Now the next thing which you want to do is to go ahead around your iPhone location services. So what you need to do is to open up your settings on your iPhone and then go ahead on your privacy and security and ensure if you have a location services on, which is good because a lot of apps will be using the location services. But what you are going to want to do is to go ahead and turn it off momentarily and then turn it back on later. And that does a quick refresh of the GPS on your iPhone, especially if you have been using a lot of apps that are using it. Sometimes they might be stuck on GPS using, so you want to turn that off if you can. I recommend keeping it off for most of the part. Also review apps that are using your GPS because GPS usually want you to take a lot of battery and also make your phone overheat. So apps that don't require GPS, you can simply click on it and just select it to be never. But of course, if there are apps like Map, you just need to leave it on to next time I'm using it while using the app as much as possible. But never is going to be another option which is going to be always available for you. Next thing you want to do is go into your main setting and here general and then go to the iPhone storage. As you are going to make sure you have some storage available here. As you can see, I have a lot of storage available. You want to have at least 5 to 10 gigabytes available on your iPhone. If you see that it's being used up and you're down to your last couple of gigs, try to delete some apps that you don't use. Photos, videos usually will clear up some space. And the reason why it is important, whenever you launch a new app, right, it will require certain amount of data and that data is not available. It's going to cause all sort of issues such as overheating, freezing, glitching up your phone. So you always wanted to keep some storage freed up on your iPhone. Now, along with that, if you are still having the issue, the next thing which you want to do is to go into your settings, then general, and then this time in the background app refresh. You want to see if you have an apps that are running. So if you have a bunch of apps that are using the background refresh, but that is, it is constantly running in the background, which can drain your battery and also cause it to overheat. So I would recommend that turning it off, the apps that you don't need. The background app refresh to be turned on all the time because whenever you open up an app or launch it, it's going to pull down that data. With the background app refresh, it constantly goes ahead and tries to get the latest data, and that might not be necessary for a lot of these apps. So I recommend is completely turning it off. But if you want to keep them on, just select the ones you want to turn that on and the other ones off. But keep in mind, whenever you launch the app, it's going to automatically refresh the data. Now, moving on to the next thing you want to do in your setting. Here again, going to the main settings, go to general, and then you are going down to the transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset and you have to reset all the settings, and this is important especially if you move your data from old phones. If you upgraded it to iOS 26, what happens is settings sometimes can interfere with the overall performance of the phone and overheating issues might pop up, and you want to do a reset, and this method will reset things like network related settings like saved Wi-Fi password, Bluetooth connections, and you have to reconnect them again. Any keyboard, dictionary, home screen layout, handwriting, and location privacy setting, all of these settings just simply get reset. But your data on the phone will be saved. All of your photos, videos, apps still be on your phone. So go ahead and do that. Then lastly, the final and the most important thing you want to do is to make sure your phone is up to date on the latest version. As the new iPhone just came out, there is a bug going around, such as camera causing the phone to overheat. Maybe some apps are running the way they shouldn't be. So in order to fix that, you are going to go into your settings, go to general, and go for a software update and check if there is a software update out there. If there is any, update your device, because software updates addresses these issues like camera freezing, performance being impacted. So go ahead and update your phone for the latest variant to fix those issues for you. Now, I hope after following these steps, your phone no longer overheats. But keep in mind one thing is that when you ever get a new iPhone, it is very normal for the first couple of days to feel like the phone is overheating, especially because if you set up your phone, it has to index all of your data if you moved it over to another phone. So it's running in the background things that we can't see. So it might feel like the phone is draining, overheating, glitching, or bugging. But let it wait out for a few days, and hopefully after that your phone is working the way it should. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If so, please consider subscribe and like for my channel, because some amazing content is planned for the next year. Thanks for watching. Peace.